If you can hear me, pick up.
아르코 지글쇼 뭐 첫째 스필레슨 지글쇼 왔지 스필레스
If you can hear me, pick up.
아삭까다는 그빠 나봤다 복학스만 나간
Five Nights at Freddy's Secret of the Mimic.
수저가 낙보가 이수나가 오나? Dava, sumunggak pisau ni na doon. Pas, que passa semua tu si mesena. Asangok semua dia. Makuran doon.
A death-defying dive! Hit it, Mr. Rocktopus!
Wow, sunapa tersungai di orang liak si mapua. Sok lang may tumata kung niko ka. Ay, sorry. No. Aktiveret mode na. Loading i går ut en spil. Akanachi. Bok tunga kang lusok-lunok si tuwang nila. So na demi alam ako sa kang ginamitis yung iba.
Error. This elevator is out of service. Thank you for your patience. Welcome. Enjoy a short ride on this reliably safe elevator to access the MCM showrooms. Security personnel, please help with client relations until the elevator repair is complete. Attention! Elevator maintenance is required. Refer to the repair cassette for instructions. The repair cassette is conveniently located on the second floor balcony. Please enter the following code to retrieve the repair cassette. 0158.
Nama jumpa 058.
0158.
Starting room. 준비 심하시하러 온 것. Cái răng lên nắp thằng là tê đó. Ich mach schon am Marktdeutsch. Am Markt đây học phải chưa? Cảm ơn Picodato Arashimavo. 오마시모 놓다. 시간을 갖고 오라니. Nipidaksiun na si mga kaning nga pikiyak tok fisa ro.
Hello, employee. If you're listening to this tape, the elevator has once the elevator is off, remove any obstructions from the exposed machinery. It would also be a good time to ask the passengers if they have any messages for their loved ones, just in case. When the machinery is clear of debris, rotate the hand crank clockwise to raise the elevator. Push the green button to open the hatch. You are now safe to get under the elevator. Oh, there's a note here. If the elevator is out of alignment, adjust the thing that balances it. That's what it says. Oops, hold up. I almost forgot. Make sure the emergency brake is on before attempting any repair.
Mariak tok 저거요 할까?
You are now safe to get under the elevator. Oh, there's a note here. If the elevator is out of alignment, adjust the thing that balances it. That's what it says. To realign the elevator, use the sliders to rebalance the
Doang main sa doang sama sa singip.
You are now safe to get under the elevator. To realign the elevator, use the sliders to rebalance the load weight alignment. And please, bear in mind, if anything does go wrong, we want you to know that it's not your fault. It's another one of life's speed bumps. Don't let it bring you down, and think of it as a learning experience. We love you.
I hate you.
Great. Now that I assume you are done with the alignment, use the diagnosis and repair function. Input the following code using the buttons. 4, 2, 3, 1.
1, 2, 3, 1. 4. 4. 2, 3, 1.
Now, disengage the emergency brake and back out carefully. Close the hatch. Close the hatch. Reset the crank. Turn on the power, and you are done.
Kung anak siya yung pasing gitoro nga natulungin ng Be quiet. Nice. Cup. Tawa no, kunong kasi nakanotuktak to Kampisita ko siya So, ayoko pamichiwa chingo niyaksaasyo. Kapinga sa chingo waksimo ka. Tama to chingo kong niyaksaka na ka na si Visulasa yung nakto so. O nga sa Steam mo, tama niyasak kami. I need to help. How to elevator?
I hope this message reaches someone. There's something outside. I have no idea what it wants, but I can still hear Thompson's screams. I didn't sign up for this.
Yep, I hate this. Moving on. Something the good, something bad.
Welcome to the Murray Showrooms. Everything's for sale or lease. Please inquire within for availability and delivery options. We're sad to announce that the Storytime showroom is currently closed pending mitigation of insurance claims. Attention security personnel. The rooftop access permissions have been changed to accommodate our creative team so they can retar the roof. If you require rooftop access, upgrade your permissions at the security office located on the second floor of the Big Top showroom. Please be aware of potential power spikes. In case of an outage, use the conduit in the Big Top showroom entrance to reset the system.
Octachu. Shoe. Octachu. Yeah, shoe.
Love that ticket booth. This one-of-a-kind ticket booth plays music and it collects tickets. It can hold signs for advertising or directions with its many arms. Additional swings can be attached and make it a fun ride. Swings in for. We'll throw the free as a bonus.
Excuse me, can I borrow your voice for a project?
What for? I don't even know you. I'm brand new here. Let's start again. I'm Fiona, and you are?
Edwin Murray. This is my dad's place. But that doesn't matter. I heard you were a puppeteer, and I wanted to record your voice.
Oh, well, yes, I used to be.
Well, that's great. Do you mind if I record you for a test?
So, you want to record me with that? What is it?
It's a new type of audio cassette recorder.
I've never seen one like that before.
I made it. It's part of this new system I'm working on. Just speak into the microphone and it'll be sent to me like a work memo. The message will be recorded on a tape drive so that I can listen to it when I get back to my desk on the other side of the building.
Oh, that's incredible. What do you call it?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't thought of a name yet.
Well, how would you describe it in one word?
I guess I would have to say helpful. Yeah, at its core, it is helpful.
That's a great name, and I would be delighted to help. What kind of voice should I do?
Hopper. Kyllä pohtukka mennä sängyllä ngamma. On se McDonald's. Loadingatta. Marundaru. Bam ba bam 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 ba ba. Minut dong ana.
showroom vestibule. Experience the latest in carnival and midway game technologies.
Tickets.
Sangat tadamang
Welcome to the Big Top Showroom. Your entry ticket includes one free spin on the prize wheel. You there. Step right up and test your skill. Shoot futuristic lasers at the cosmic targets to win a spin on the prize wheel.
Hindi.
Ready, set, blast off! Great shot! We come in peace! Zap, zap! I am a robot! We come in peace! Hit the targets! We have a winner! And what did you win? A free spin on the prize wheel! Head over to the prize wheel to redeem your free spin.
Tickets, please.
Take my what a strange and interesting.
Akak po yan.
Tickets, please.
Where is the chicken? O nga gamit po?
Lucky you! You have a free spin.
Which game
Games
will
of
I play
chance are
first?
my favorite. Games of chance are my favorite.
Tickets,
Try
please.
and try again.
You there. Step right up and smack a clown. Knock out the clown's teeth and win a prize. Ready, set, go! Dental reconstruction not covered by clown insurance. Dental reconstruction not covered by clown insurance. Don't forget to floss! Miss it, miss it, miss it! What's the matter? Afraid of clowns?
Yep.
Kids, take care of your teeth and stay in school. Clowns are funny. What's the matter? Afraid of clowns? Kids, take care of your teeth and stay in school. That's gonna hurt. We have a winner! And what did you win? A free spin on the prize wheel. Head over to the prize wheel to redeem your free spin.
Tickets, please.
Not me.
I could stay here forever.
I hate Mimic.
This is so
Tickets, please.
Bye-bye, ticket.
Tickets, please.
Lucky you! You have a free spin.
I enjoy time with my family. Games of chance are my favorite. Take my one.
There! Try your luck at the prize wheel.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Spin, wheel, spin! A mystery present you might win! Oh, so close. Oh, bad luck. Wheel of prizes. Spin, wheel, spin! A mystery present you might win! That couldn't happen again. What are the odds? Wheel of prizes. Spin, wheel, spin. A mystery present you might win. Oh, so close. Just try again and expect a different result. Come on back when you have a free spin.
Surya taas ng masisimang nila.
Come on back when you have a free spin.
Games of skill are my favorite.
You there. Step right up and test your skill.
Insured.
You there. Ready, set, fire away. Hit the targets. See our catalog for all options and prices. Keep it up. Hit the targets. You're doing great. Keep it up. Hit the targets. We have a winner! And what did you win? A free spin on the prize wheel. Head over to the prize wheel to redeem your free spin.
Win to win.
Tickets, please. Gusto mo gawin mo. singip. Ay,
Tickets,
Lucky
please.
you! You have a free spin! You there! Try your luck at the prize wheel! Wheel of prizes! Spin, wheel, spin! A mystery present you might win!
Hockey Shame. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mariba. Note nó của cùng nước. Push it. Some reason 7. Başarana rumliya namba shiva. Hello.
Ed, I hope this message reaches you as soon as you get a break. I have to go help the Fall Fest crew, just for a few days until the installation is finished. It's hard to explain. I just have this terrible feeling like I need to be there so nothing goes wrong, just in case. Trisha will babysit David while I'm gone. I love you both, and I'll be back next week.
Si tamani sabi ko nakpo. Suu tamaa killitseriarlugu naaniartaartarpuasit qunnisinaastum puisinnaarlarsmassas tamaspaat tulliam takus. Bye bye.